Understanding Bridal Makeup Trials, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that's particularly relevant to anyone interested in weddings or makeup. Bridal makeup trial. Whether you're planning a wedding, dreaming of one, or just love learning about different customs, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and why it's crucial for brides-to-be. A bridal makeup trial is a pre-wedding appointment where a bride meets with a makeup artist to test out and finalize the makeup look for her wedding day. Think of it as a rehearsal for the wedding makeup. This trial ensures that the bride and the makeup artist agree on a style that complements the bride's features, wedding theme, and preferences. It's all about eliminating surprises and ensuring the bride feels confident and beautiful on her big day. Bridal makeup trials hold significant importance for several reasons. Confidence. They ensure that the bride feels absolutely confident and satisfied with her look. Customization. Trials allow for adjustments in customization, ensuring the makeup artist fully understands the bride's vision. Skin sensitivity. It's a chance to test products for any skin reactions, which is crucial for avoiding last-minute allergies or irritations. Timing. They help in determining how long the makeup application will take, aiding in the planning of the wedding day schedule. During a bridal makeup trial, you can expect to discuss your preferences, themes, and any inspirations you have with your makeup artist. Bring photos, magazine clippings, or even color swatches of your dress and decor. The artist will then apply makeup, often starting with a base look and adjusting based on your feedback. It's a collaborative process, so communication is key. Feel free to speak up about what you like or dislike. To make the most of your trial, consider these tips. Schedule wisely. Plan your trial 2 to 3 months before the wedding, and if possible, align it with another wedding-related event to see how the makeup holds up. Document the look. Take photos in different lighting to see how your makeup will look throughout the day. Be honest. Provide honest feedback to your makeup artist. Remember, it's about achieving your dream look. Bridal makeup trials are a key step in the wedding preparation process, ensuring that every bride looks and feels her best on one of the most important days of her life. We hope this video demystifies what a bridal makeup trial is and why it's so important. If you're on this journey, remember to enjoy every moment, including the trials. Thank you for watching, and we wish all the brides to be a beautiful and memorable wedding day.